Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products to enhance your life. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with the GooingTop LED Grow Light. If you're looking to take your outdoor plants to the next level, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Now, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Alright, let's talk about why the GooingTop LED Grow Light stands out among the competition. With its 6000K full-spectrum lighting, equipped with 10 red plus 74 white LEDs, this grow light mimics the natural sunlight, providing optimal conditions for your outdoor plants to thrive indoors. But what really sets this grow light apart is its versatility and convenience. With 5-level dimmable settings and auto on-off timing options of 4, 8, and 12 hours, you have full control over your plant's lighting schedule. Plus, its easy-to-install design with a flexible gooseneck and strong clamp allows you to position the light in any direction for maximum coverage. And let's talk about efficiency. Despite its powerful output, this grow light consumes only about 10 watts of power, equivalent to a 50-watt halogen bulb. That means you can enjoy the benefits of indoor gardening without worrying about skyrocketing electricity bills. But perhaps the best part? The GooingTop LED Grow Light comes with a 365-day worry-free warranty and 24-hour friendly customer service. So you can rest assured that your investment is protected. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best grow lights for your outdoor plants, look no further than the GooingTop LED Grow Light. With its full-spectrum lighting, customizable settings, and energy-efficient design, it's a game-changer for indoor gardening enthusiasts everywhere. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know your thoughts on the GooingTop LED Grow Light. And as always, stay tuned for more in-depth product critiques right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.